Cleo Cash Advance becomes unavailable when your eligibility drops due to account activity changes, missing payroll signals, or when the system refreshes your risk profile and temporarily removes access. By the end, you'll know exactly why Cleo Cash Advance is not available on your account, and the exact steps to fix it so the feature shows up again. Start with eligibility. Cleo doesn't offer cash advances to every user at all times. The feature appears only when your account meets internal activity and risk requirements. If your usage pattern changes, the advance option can disappear without warning. Next, check your income signals. Cleo relies heavily on linked bank activity to detect consistent deposits. If your direct deposit stopped, changed accounts, or hasn't been detected recently, the cash advance option may be removed until your income pattern is updated again. Now check your bank connection. If your linked bank account is disconnected, expired, or partially synced, Cleo can't verify your financial activity. That alone can hide the cash advance feature. Removing the bank and reconnecting it cleanly often restores proper syncing. Another issue is low account activity. If there hasn't been enough recent spending or deposit activity, Cleo may pause cash advance access. The system uses activity signals to decide whether to show the feature, so inactive accounts often lose visibility temporarily. Now look at verification status. If your identity verification is incomplete or recently reset, Cleo may restrict financial features until everything is fully confirmed. Checking your profile for pending steps is important, because even small missing details can affect eligibility. Also consider system refresh cycles. Cleo regularly updates account scoring in the background. During these refresh periods, cash advance may temporarily disappear even if nothing is wrong with your account. It usually returns after new bank activity is detected. Here's the simple breakdown. Cleo Cash Advance not available usually comes down to missing income signals, broken bank connections, low activity, verification issues, or a temporary system refresh. Do this next. Reconnect your bank account first. Then make sure your direct deposit is still going into the same account. After that, use the app normally for a few days with regular activity. Finally, complete any verification prompts inside the app. If it still doesn't appear, your account likely hasn't met the current eligibility threshold and needs more consistent income deposits before the feature returns. Most users see the cash advance option return once their bank connection and deposit activity are stable again.